Hey, what's up guys, and it's time to unbox the cheapest 5G phone from Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy A90 5G is here. It's actually got launched in UK a couple of days ago. It's probably the cheapest 5G phone in the UK. It costs $699 SIM free, whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro cost about £59 a month for 24 months. Which means Samsung kept their word after all. You guys remember I made so many videos about this covering the leaks and rumors, so this bad boy is finally here. Let's unbox it. So the box itself really resembles the box of a Galaxy A series device. Its design is completely based on the A70, but this phone is really special for a lot of reasons, which I'm going to talk about later. So you can see on the back we've got some of the main specification as always. First up is the biggest feature, which is the 5G network based super fast charging, which is coming at 45 watts, similar to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The triple camera setup has a 48 megapixel sensor with 5 megapixel zoom, as well as 8 megapixel triple rear camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 128 gigs of internal memory with 6 gigabyte of RAM. Alright, so I managed to remove the seal without using any sharp tool, which I didn't have. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G first up inside the box. So taking this out first, you can see Galaxy A90 5G. This is the first time we have a flagship chipset inside of a non-Galaxy S and Note series phone, which is amazing. So you get Snapdragon 855, which is my favorite chip. It has the best gaming performance as well. I think Samsung should go Qualcomm all the way. So we have the charger first up. This is the 25 watt Samsung charger that you also get inside of the Galaxy A80 as well as the A70, the Note 10 family, but obviously it came in this white color. And then we have Samsung earphones, which come with a Type-C at the end, which means this phone probably doesn't have a headphone jack, RIP. Anyways, that's all that is inside the box, and let's take a look at the phone. You can see I have it in the white color. It actually comes in just two colors. We have the white and the black. Both of these colors have this aura glow kind of reflection to them when the light bounces off, which looks really cool. As you guys do know that the true aura glow phone is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but it's nice to see it on this A90 5G. I don't know if you can see it through camera, but this phone actually has two different tones to it. So the upper area, you can see the division in between as well. At first I thought it's a screen protector, but it's not. So the top side is a multicolor reflector, whereas the bottom is more like a warm color reflector, which is really nice touch. Anyways, let's go ahead and remove this protector off the screen. So we have a really good premium feel in hand. I gotta say, there is a power key towards the right along with the volume key. There's actually nothing on the left, which is pretty good. Just like the flagships, there is no Bixby key. Now towards the bottom, you can see we don't have any headphone jack. Same goes for the top as well. It's a nice clean design. We've got the triple camera system towards the back. Looks really good. Okay, so enough talking, and let's go ahead and boot this bad boy up. The A90 5G. As you can see, it has the same kind of boot up like the Galaxy S10 Plus, another flagship phone. And I gotta say, this is a large phone, 6.7 inch Snapdragon 855 power. Let's go. Also, this is not a locked version, so I got this in the UK, but it will run a SIM card anywhere else, so that is pretty good. Alright, time to register the fingerprints on this phone. And alright, it's time to set up the fingerprint scanner. Now, as far as I know, this is the optical scanner, which is different, of course, compared to the 3D one inside the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the S10 family, but we'll see the speed of it real quick. Okay, I'm done with the setup, and as you can see, this is a beautiful looking display. It's really nice and bright, amazing design. Feels really snappy thanks to the Snapdragon 855 inside. Now taking a look at the software information, it's running One UI 1.5 based on Android 9.0 Pie. Everything in the software looks very similar as the Galaxy Note 10 and other devices, so you're not missing out on any feature. It is all present on this beast. It's actually rocking a bigger battery than the Note 10 Plus, coming at 4500 mAh, and combined with that 1080p display and Snapdragon 855, I think it's going to be a really beast phone when it comes to the juice. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the fingerprint scanner speed. Okay, that was really fast. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so this is definitely not the 3D scanner, I can see, because I'm just touching it really lightly and it's not able to pick my fingerprints up. So for that, to happen, I have to press it with a little bit of force, and I have to say it is working really good. This is the best optical fingerprint scanner performance I've ever seen on a Samsung phone. It's not 3D, you do have to press it a little bit, but it's really quick, which is nice, and it's working fine. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the camera on the Galaxy A90 5G. So it's a very similar UI as the Samsung Galaxy S10 and other flagship offering from Samsung. So you get live focus video on this, which is a really new feature from Samsung. You get super slow motion video up to 960 frames per second, as well as the normal slow motion video. There's also a night mode with a back camera, and it's not present on the front, but hopefully with the update you'll get the night mode camera with the front as well. You can take wider selfies as well, just like the Note 10 family. Live focus front camera video and live focus with the normal pictures. So the whole camera setup of the Galaxy A90 5G is similar to the Galaxy A80. So the main 48 megapixel sensor can take really sharp photos and very decent photos in terms of low light capabilities. I also tried out the night mode, which really does help with the photos and